This is the elevator at the Sears store. That's the freight elevator. It's the elevator at Sears. Ugh. Oh, yuck. Adams. OTIS. So OTIS that got slapped on bod was Adams Survivor Vandal Resistant. The door closes on work.
Adams.
Ooh, you can see the band.
What's that?
Those are the fixtures.
Oh.
Ooh, yuck.
Is it a company that makes fixtures?
Yes. ADA compliant phone.
Yes. Lift up.
That chime works.
Just a screen.
2. Ooh, that's insane classic leveling. OTIS. Door closes at work. That's
The
where
door open work.
this store. That's the store.
The door open again. What does this red button do?
That's the phone.
Right here. Should I push this?
No,
Or this one is the push for help?
no, that's the phone.
Should I push this one?
Please don't. Sorry for the commotion. Sorry for the commotion. I'd like to go on my own now.
You gonna go down and back?
Yes. 1. The door closes at work. There's your OTIS. I gotta get that classic leveling. That is some insane classic leveling. It's my first time coming across classic leveling. It's at Sears. That is some epic classic leveling. Go to 2. Let's get a look out here. There's your call button. Scare cap you. Sensors beep. Otisito. Floridian Elevators does that. Epic motor. Very nice. There's a fan. Adams Survivor Vandal Resistant. Got slap on mom with Badams. Just caught the classic leveling. This is number 4. Ridley knows Lexan. Ridley and Lexan fixtures.